Alright, what's up and good morning. Today is 4th of July. We made our way to a random little Honda car meet. So it's here local to me. I never came here, it's my first time, but it's a bunch of Hondas out here in Baldwin Park. So we can go check it out, see what we see, and see what's up. Just Hondas for days. Del Sol, Civics, the Accord wagon though, that's pretty cool. A little bit of everything, it's pretty cool. Gotta clean this 2000 over here. More Civics pulling up. These things are cool, I've seen them before. This Honda, I think it's like a, I don't know, freaking crazy. It's right-hand drive and everything. I've seen it one other time. It's pretty cool to see though. I've never seen these being sold in the States, so who knows where they're from. Right here, got a clean blue hatch. And then what I noticed on this one, it's a real Type R though. This is sick. Right-hand drive with the spoon wheels. This is sick. It's a mix of a lot of Hondas. A lot of new generation, old Hondas, hatchbacks, the S2000s even. We got this one with that little turbo. Sick. Then I saw this one with that fake headlight. It's crazy. Got the Integra Type R too. This thing's sick. Real Type R, right-hand drive. Oh, this one's right-hand drive too. Crazy. Got the old Prelude, I think. Pretty clean. This thing with the massive exhaust. Yeah, but a bunch of cool Hondas here. What I didn't see much of is CRX. I always love the CRXs, but nonetheless, cool cars. We got the Type R with TEs, looking clean. Right up front, got the S2000s. Looks like an Integra leaving. Got a clean RSX though on the SSRs. This is nice. Then the CRV, and then got a few cars pulling into. There's a side exit. Crazy. Then the S2000. Here's that truck that pulled in with the side exit exhaust, tires peeking out the back. Super cool. Clean TLX though. No sick. Over here in the outer lot though, got another Type R. This is pretty cool. Gutted inside too. Jeez. That's crazy.